All right, Cardinals, welcome to this year's new online learning system. This is CTLS, and this is where you are going to get all of the information for your classes. You may see a video like this in all of your classes, but I just wanted to kind of walk you through the way that I have mine set up. On your main page, when you log in, you'll see your name is up here, your classes, and all of your classes will come up here. I only have 3, but you will have 4. You've got on this left-hand side here, you've got my classes, a home button, digital sessions, resources, assignments, discussions, and assessments, which really just means quizzes and tests and things like that. So we're going to look at this one for first block sculpture, just to give you an idea of what things look like. Here's your page. Here I am, Mrs. Fulp. On the announcement section, that right now there's a welcome letter. There might be other information there as we move along. We've got a class board here that has your block schedule for virtual learning, and this page could change at any time if I want to update you with any information. And since we're in this class, we're going to look at what we are learning. They're going to be broken down by digital sessions. So right now I've got Unit 1, which for sculpture is Welcome to Sculpture Week. If you're in VA Comp, it'll probably say something different, but it's still the Welcome Unit 1. You're going to click on that. And within that, you're going to find information about what the unit is about, what we're going to be learning. You're going to see any resources that I may have uploaded. I've got here a link to my blog that will come up in another window if you click on that. I have some information here on CTLS. If you have any trouble signing in, you can click on that and get some information. Here's a copy of the PowerPoint that I'll be going over for the welcome. And any other things that you will need for this first unit will be in resources. When you come here to lesson uploads, this is where when you have an assignment, you are going to upload your files. We're going to talk about taking photographs and proper etiquette for editing those this week, but this is where you're going to upload them. You'll select your files from your computer and upload them here. And this is where you can see what the assignments are. So the first assignment that we have is going to be photographing 3D work for sculpture. You can see when the start date is and when the due date is and how many points that is worth. Back over here on the left-hand side under resources, this just sort of expands some of the resources that were in that digital session. You can see anything that I have there. Assignments is just a quick view of any assignments that you may have waiting out there. We also have discussions. We will have a discussion topic on Monday where we will click on there and discuss with each other what we're feeling about starting the year on the computer. And then if you have any assessments, any quizzes or tests, that will be down here in assessments. So that's just a quick overview. You can go back to the My Classes tab to go to your other classes and see what is going on with them when you go into your digital sessions.